Hi there. I'm going to show you how to put a signature page on so you don't have to do it every time you go to send a Gmail or an email. So the very first thing you're going to do is you got to make sure you're on your Gmail account. You come over to this little gear, which is your settings. You click on it. You click this where it says see all settings. Go ahead and click there. From there, you got to make sure you're on the general tab. How you will know that? It will be blue. You are going to scroll down until you see the signature. Right now I have no signatures on here, so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it my signature because that's what it's going to be. I'm going to create it. So when I create it over here in this box, I can put whatever I want it to say. So Julie Reinhardt, Massillon City Schools, technology teacher. From there then, I can, if I scroll over it and make it blue, I can change the size of it. I can bold it, italicize, underline. I can change the color, so I'm going to just make it blue. I can change the font. I'll go to comic. You can add a link there. You can add insert an image, whatever you would like to do. Most importantly, right here, see the signature defaults? Right now it says no signature. You want to click that down. You want to say, I want, for new emails used, I want my signature there. On replies, you want a signature on reply as well. You come down here and you got to click Save Changes. So I save changes, and then if I come over here to compose, there it is, exactly what I put on there. And that is all you need to do to get one of those signature pages so you don't have to constantly do it. Any questions, email me and I'll be more than happy to help you.